Welcome to City Trotters, your go-to guide for international travel. Ever had a disheartening with your luggage during international travel? It's an unfortunate reality that many of us face, isn't it? Ensuring luggage security is paramount, whether you're a frequent flyer or embarking on your maiden voyage. The potential risks are real, from theft and damage to the nightmare of loss. But fear not, dear travelers, for there are ways to safeguard your belongings and peace of mind. Let's dive into some practical tips and techniques to ensure your luggage stays safe and secure throughout your journey. Securing your luggage starts even before you leave your home. How, you ask? Let's dive right in. First things first, invest in high-quality luggage. Sturdy, well-built luggage may cost a little more, but it's worth every penny. Look for features like reinforced corners, durable wheels, and robust locks that can withstand the rigors of international travel. Remember, the right luggage is your first line of defense against theft, damage, and loss. Next, let's talk about locks. Opt for TSA-approved locks. These locks can be opened and inspected by Transportation Security Administration officers without causing any damage to the lock itself. This not only keeps your luggage secure, but also reduces the risk of damage during security checks. Moving on to luggage wraps. Using a luggage wrap can add an extra layer of protection to your baggage. It not only prevents scratches and damage during transit, but also acts as a deterrent for thieves, as they would need more time and effort to undo the wrapping. Then we have zippers. These tiny little things often go unnoticed but play a crucial role in keeping your belongings safe. Use cable ties or small combination locks to secure the zippers on your luggage. This little trick can deter opportunistic thieves from trying to access your belongings. Now, here's a tip that may seem simple but is often overlooked. Avoid overpacking. Airlines have weight restrictions for a reason. An overstuffed bag not only costs you extra, but is also more likely to burst open or get damaged during handling. So, pack smart and keep it light. And what about your valuables? Never, and I mean never, pack valuable items such as electronics, jewelry, passports, or medication in your checked luggage. Always keep these essentials in your carry-on bag to prevent loss or theft. Labeling your luggage is another effective way to secure your belongings. Attach a luggage tag with your contact information on the outside and inside of your bags. This simple step can help airline staff reunite you with your luggage in case it gets lost. Last but not least, consider using luggage tracking devices. These nifty gadgets, or even a tracking app, allow you to monitor the location of your bags in real time. This not only provides peace of mind, but also helps you locate lost luggage quickly. By following these steps, you can make it more difficult for thieves to target your luggage and reduce the chances of damage or loss. Remember, securing your luggage is not just about protecting your belongings, but also about ensuring a stress-free travel experience. Because let's face it, nobody wants to deal with lost or damaged luggage during their trip. So, pack smart, stay vigilant, and take proactive measures to keep your luggage safe and secure. Happy travels. So we've covered quite a bit about securing your luggage during international travel. Let's recap some of the essential points. Begin with investing in high-quality luggage, sturdy enough to withstand the rigors of travel. Use TSA-approved locks so security checks won't compromise your bag's safety. Consider investing in luggage wrap can act as an extra layer of protection, making it harder for thieves to open your bag. Don't forget to secure your zippers with cable ties or small combination locks, making it tougher for thieves to access your belongings. Avoid packing your bag to the brim. An overstuffed bag risks bursting open or getting damaged. Also, keep your valuables close. Store your electronics, jewelry, passports, and medication in your carry-on bag. Label your luggage inside and out with your contact information. This simple step can speed up the process should your luggage get lost. And for that extra peace of mind, consider using a luggage tracking device or app. With these tips in mind, you can significantly reduce the risks of theft, damage, and lost luggage. Remember, securing your luggage is crucial for a stress-free journey. Thank you for watching, and safe travels. And before we wrap up, we'd like to extend a big thank you for your constant support. Your interest and engagement make it possible us to continue providing you with valuable tips and advice. We look forward to sharing more travel tips with you in the future. Safe travels and take care.